Hello and welcome to this YourText.Guru demonstration video. I'm Pierre from YourText.Guru and I'm here to help you understand how to use our tool. So now that the guide is done, you can click on it and you'll arrive to the work area. So what do you see on this work area? Up, clicking on it. Better than that. Okay, perfect. Now we have the work area. You can see a few things, and I will describe each and every one of them. First of all, you have this curve that appears with several colored zones and 50 top terms. They are ordered by importance. And then you'll have also an area where you can add an URL, a title tag, and a description. You have a comment section. You'll also have the main work area, the one where you're going to add your text, you're going to write your text. We will talk about the many functionalities that this main work area has. Um, some of them are generative functionalities. You'll be also able to check some additional informations. On the right-hand side, you have the suggested entities, which are the Wikipedia entities that may allow you to dig a little bit deeper on this topic and understand it. This zone really depends on what content you've added to the work area and before you click on the analyze button. You'll also have an internal linking suggestion list that depends on the project you've added your get to, because you've added a website to the project, and we know a few URLs, existing URLs on this website, so we can give you some recommendation depending on the content you've added to the work area. Now you have on the lower right-hand side part of your screen two sticky cards, one with SOSEO and a score and recommendations, and on the right the DSEO score and the recommendation. So what does SOSEO mean? It's optimization score, SEO optimization score. And DSEO means SEO danger score. So how do we calculate the recommendations? We actually calculate them upon the competitors that are already ranking on this search engine result page. So here, how to make the best pain au chocolat. And the SEO is an average for the three best URLs, and you should do better than them. And the DSEO is an average for the 5 highest value of the page, and you should not go higher than this average. So let's have a look now at the work area where you have several generative functionalities. Here, one of the best generative functionalities that I recommend is SEO-TXL outline. So when I click on it, it will give me a few headers, H1, H2, H3, etc., and give me a full outline for content that is expected for this kind of query. Of course, you can delete some parts that are not interesting for you, and usually it's quite long. So usually our user delete some parts that they are not going to be using. You always have to check the content it created and control what it has written. Once you've obtained this outline and you're happy with it, you have now a brief for your writers. Once the writer has filled up the blanks, filled up the outline, or if the writer has answered questions, so let's click on SEO TXL questions. Um, uh, for frequently asked questions, for instance, for this page, you can click on Analyze, and then you'll have a score, and you'll see that the score will update, and also the curve will update. So the black curves will update. You can check the first three competitors or more on this curve to check if you are better than them or if you still have to work on some of the terms. This has to be done once you've written a part of your content. Like the first part of your content is written, you can check the competitors, see how they are doing comparative to your content, and work your way up here. You can see that the internal linking suggestions and the suggested entities are different. That's because it updates with the click on the Analyze button. The contribution score of each word, so the points where the dot that you can see on the black curve, depends on how many times the term has been used, as well as the context where it's been used. The latter part is really important, but because that is why we cannot give you a recommended number of occurrences for the top terms. The 20 top terms are the ones that are the most important. They are the ones that you must be using if you want to rank on this query. And the 30 additional keywords, 30 additional terms are actually enrichment terms. They are still top terms per se, but you still don't have to use them all. You can use a few of them if your curve is doing like a roller coaster on is shaped like a roller coaster. That's going to be fine. That's all for this video. Thank you for following it. And if you want to know more about YourText.Guru, feel free to check our other videos. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask them directly at support@yourtext.guru. Have a nice day.